Happy afternoon, you all. Jerry and I are here in Knoxville. We're in the Knoxville Urban Wilderness. It's after work and we've decided to do some hiking here. We do not take advantage enough of this area. It's pretty cool. There's about like 50 miles of trails. Right now we're on a greenway part. We're headed over to Meads Quarry and we're gonna kind of hike the trail around Meads Quarry, and then I don't know what else we're gonna do. We're just gonna kind of see what's out here. We are both dressed in complete black. Not on purpose.
Black. I always wear
Not
black.
on purpose, just somehow it ended up like that today. Anyway, so let's do some hiking. So here, look, you can see part of the Navitat tree line course. It's a ropes course. There's like a adventure, Navitat Adventure Tree Park, I think is what it's called. Well, look, here's another part of this. I think a part of the Navitat stuff. The wooden teepee. That is super awesome. The urban wilderness is pretty cool. There's like 9 different areas that you can like hike in. And right now we're in the Ijams Nature Center and Quarry area. I mean, seriously, it's like about 5 minutes from downtown Knoxville. So you feel like you're in a whole nother area. So it's right here, right off the greenway, is the river trail. I've done this one a few times. I'm not sure how many miles it is. They don't really have that listed there. Anyway, so we've come to the junction with the quarry. All right, we have crossed the road there. And now we are going to go around the loop around the quarry. You can see right there. Here's the quarry. Here, let me get a shot of the quarry real quick. There's some people down here. So yeah, there's the quarry. It's pretty cool. And it actually goes way out that way. Tharp Trace. And it's a mile. It's a mile. See a little bit more of the quarry there. This trail will follow a little bit along the parallel to the road, and then it just kind of loop to the left and away from the road. Most of the trails in this area are pretty good for running too. Oh, it comes back out onto the greenway. So as you can tell, I've never been actually on this part before, so this is a first for me. So I'm pretty sure it goes up, I think, because I know it goes around the quarry. Well, we're gonna go this way and see where it takes us. Ooh, look at this purple tree, the purple flower tree. I have been seeing this. I don't know what it's called. I'm gonna have to look it up. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh, look, there's like another, oh, Tharp Trace. Okay, so that's, okay, we gotta go that way. So I don't know. Okay, we're getting this tree first. Oh my God, it smells like something really good. Wow. Oh wow, look at the flowers. It's so pretty. Like, this tree reminds me of like a weeping willow, but with purple flowers. Man, that is so pretty. So pretty. Ooh, headed up. Climbing. Like a, oh, there's a cemetery before we go there. Look at that. That's pretty. Look at that. There's a cemetery. Wow. I had no idea this was here. Wow. Okay, let's look at these tombstones. Let's see. 1923, 1925. Look at this one. It's 1895. And there's a little bench. And there's a Jerry.
Tell us about it.
Stanton Cemetery, formerly known as the Dempsey Johnson Cemetery, which was it. Oh, look, the Boy Scouts help maintain it. Oh, that is super cool. Very cool. Okay, so that was awesome. I mean, that was just like a gem that I had no idea was here. Love that. That's just so awesome. Jerry made his own like water.
My water fanny.
His water hydration thing. See, I've got one. Let me show you. See, I got that today. Just because I don't like, if I can help it, I don't want to have anything on my back. And just for this type of hiking, I feel like we can get by with just, you know, something like this with just a water bottle and some snacks or something. All right, we come to this like little, oh look, this looks like a little castle, like cover or something. Isn't that neat? That's really cool. And then look, you can, okay, I guess you're not supposed to do this, but I'm gonna do it for the picture. Luckily there's a good size thing. So I just want to show you how beautiful is that. Wow. You can see a lot, like all the way over there. Oh, this is pretty. Beautiful. Terry is always so showing off. I am not dressed to run. I need much less clothing. It's very warm out here and pretty humid. And we're going up. All right, let me see if I can run with the GoPro. Up. I'll be exhausted. Wonder if you could tell it if I'm running. Off. Whatever. Good for you. Fine, then we'll start trail running more regular. I need to get my butt in shape. Okay, no more breathing. If you trip over these tree roots, they wrap around you and strangle you to death. See? Bunch of lost souls in there. Just kidding. Thou shalt not pass. I can't do it. It just keeps going up. There's some kind of a flower. I don't know what that is. Ah, look at the cute dog. Hi there. Hi. How are you?
Guy.
Oh, it's okay. I know he's scary looking, but I swear. Honey, you gotta hold your hand out. Oh, okay.
She's a giant.
She doesn't like you at all.
I'm sorry.
Oh, you don't like him. He's scary. I know. I know he is.
Okay.
She's like, I just don't know about you.
It's all
That's
right.
funny. You all have a good day. All right, we are going down now. Like down now. Wow, this is like really steep down. So I guess it's pretty much a up to a point and then down. Oh, we come to another one of these fortresses. That's what it looks like to me. Oh wow, you can get the other side of the quarry. Tharp Overlook. That's what this is called. Now we got just a little bit of flattish through here. This is nice. Oh, places you can kind of go off here and go way down. So pretty, beautiful out. Right. Bounce around a little. Here we go. Oh, we've come to some train tracks. Oh, this is pretty cool looking. Alright, this is not the way we go, but very cool looking. Picture time. Oh, got like a little picnic area here. Not sure what. Alright, so just a little ways. We're going down the greenway this direction. Got another. Oh, look, here's like a little.
Aww.
Shh, Jerry, stop it. Oh, here's some info about the
Wait.
Meads Quarry.
Zig it. Move arm.
Nope, can't do it. My viewers want to read this stuff. Not want to pause the
Tell me when
video.
your viewers are done.
Alright, you guys tell me when you're done. Oh, you probably can't even read it because it's like all
I'm
worked.
so gonna just upload this as my profile picture.
Y'all, I don't know if y'all can hear him. Oh, look, there's like, I guess people have donated bricks or whatever you call it. Meads Quarry Overlook is what this is. The trees are blocking it just a little bit. Oh well. We are back kind of where we started. Well, we started kind of down that way, but here's the parking lot. Yeah, okay, anyway, so we're gonna go on this trail here, Imry's, and it's part of the South Loop. Yeah, we're gonna go this way. So I think if you see these signs here like that, it tells you you're on the South Loop. And I believe you can do South Loop as like a 12.5 mile. Burning mast for the chimney. Swift Towers is what it's called. Okay, we had to come across the train tracks real quick. I'm not really sure what this is. Almost looks just like tunnels, actually. Oh, look, there's some kind of. I don't have any idea what this was for. I'll try to find out. Put something in the video if I can. It's still pretty cool looking, especially with the ivy. Yeah, there's something. Apparently, you know, if they wanted to, they could like kind of fix this up a little, and like kind of cut these out and put like little benches or something for people to sit.
In 1881, the Ross Marble Company began extracting pink Tennessee marble at Meads Quarry for use in buildings and monuments in Knoxville, New York, and Washington, D.C. John M. Ross operated the quarry to the south. The Great Depression ended the marble boom, and from the 1940s onward, only agricultural lime and gravel was produced at these sites.
What people are doing there. Photo shoot. Oh, that's sweet. This is like a perfect area to do stuff like that.
Those were kilns.
What are they?
Kilns
For the rocks?
Huh?
For the rocks?
For limestone, yeah, to turn it into
Oh, here we go.
calcium carbonate.
So here's what it was. If I'd walked over far enough. Lime kiln. That's what I was trying to think, kiln. Oh, you can see kind of an old picture there of.
I'm scared. What'd you call it?
I did, and I just said, well, it was a quarry right here, so I'm sure they dug the rocks up out of the quarry and did something with it, right?
Yeah, that's the kiln they used to set them on fire.
Well, there you go. Now you know, people. Oh, this is what the trail has turned into so far. Still pretty flat. Actually going down a little bit. It's a pretty easy trail. There's something right here. I'm gonna go look at it. I don't know what it is, but I'm just gonna go look real quick because there's like a plank. Oh, I bet this is the flow trail. Oh yeah, so if you wanted to get on this, like, I guess this is, you can ride bikes on this here. So somebody could be like, Yeah, this is part of the...
This is part of the mountain bike trail?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Flow. It's a 1 mile. But I want to go... we got to go the other way to get to where I want to go. But anyway, this is pretty cool.
Wait, you tell me.
We're going this way. I just wanted to look at it. So, if you look at the map, which is what I would recommend, because there's a lot of these like little side trails, so you don't want to get kind of lost. Look at that. It's Ross Marble Quarry. We're going this way.
It says rock bridge this way.
Nope, it says this
But
way.
I want to do the rock bridge. Look, rock bridge.
Huh?
I don't know. It says rock bridge.
Yeah, it means, I think it means right here, Jerry. So I don't know which way you go. I guess it's a loop, maybe.
Fine by me. If I'm going to get lost, I might as well do it in the woods.
See things. This is apparently a pretty popular area. I've actually never been here. It's kind of sad. Some other rocks there. It almost looks like all the rocks just tumbled and fell, which is very possible. Is what has happened. I don't know. I don't know if you can tell how I'm walking.
Oh, wow.
Okay. So down here, we're gonna go. And ta-da! Here it is.
The rock bridge provides panoramic views of the former quarry site, while underneath, the keyhole provides access to the lower quarry, featuring carved Tennessee marble shelves and rock faces.
Super cool.
It's probably because it's almost dead.
Yes. Alright, so it's just like where... This is the other side.
Oh my god, it's so sharp.
Well, that is the rock bridge, guys. Okay, so this is a pretty cool area. All right, back to where we were at, I think. I've always seen pictures of that keyhole, but I've never actually been there. We went a little ways up that trail. It just kind of keeps taking you out to another section of the urban wilderness, but it just is getting kind of late, so we don't have time for all that. So we're turning around and we're going back the way we came. I will say this: if you're gonna hike this area, make sure you have your phone with the map on it, or better yet, one of the paper maps, just because they don't have very good trail junction signs here, if any at all. So it's easy to get a little turned around and not really be sure where you're going. So I just recommend having a way to see, you know, what trail's what. And I like the phone because if you use all trails or whatever, you can see yourself on the map and see exactly where you're located. Anyway, but you know, just gotta make sure you have a full battery. Oh, anyway, back to hiking. So yeah, I wish the urban wilderness would have this kind of stuff, you know, at all the trail junctions, or just some kind of signage, even if it's not that fancy, just so you have at least a good idea of what trail is what, without necessarily having to look at the map all the time. Going back over the stone bridge. I don't know if you can see from here, but there's like these little holes, like rivets or whatever. And that, I don't know what that's for. There's the train. That's a pretty cool area. Lots to see. Lots to see. Alright, continue on back. We're doing a little bit of trail running. Ooh, it's almost dark. Oh well. It started to get dark a little later at least. We kind of trail ran a little. Because they closed the gate at dark. So we don't know how like strict they are about that. I mean, are they gonna like close it as soon as it's dark or before dark or anyway, so we try ran. But we're almost back to the car. We can see the parking lot from here. Oh no, that was awesome to be able to get out and do some hiking. And honestly, not like super easy. I mean, some of those trails had some up. I mean, so you're getting a workout in for sure. If you're a trail runner, they're great trails to run on because even though they have rocks and roots, it's just a pretty good terrain.
They're well maintained.
Yeah, they're well maintained. They just need to put some signs for the trail junctions. That's really the only downside. But if you have your map and you pay attention to it, you'll be fine. Anyway, so now I'm hungry. I think I've earned it though. I have no idea how many miles we did. I don't think it was anything crazy. Maybe 3 or 4 miles, something like that. I mean, so we really just like that much of the urban wilderness is all we did today. So anyway, all right, so that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Until the next time, happy hiking. See you on the trail. Mwah.
Congratulations to Jerry. He was our winner of the 1 line. Now we're going to
$20
play
gift certificate.
2 lines on the same card.
Okay.
We're going to start off with 2